We need to let the dishwasher violence goes away. But please don't abandon me, alright? I am so sorry about using my threats, but I'm trying to help.
Tell us where they're hidden.
We'll help you out.
Okay.
He's insane.
Yeah, he is.
What you've done, my friend, to my city. You don't deserve mercy.
Hi.
Where did he go now? We can't lose him when he becomes the shadow. What the heck is that?
No time to talk, Kai. We must near the dishwasher before he sees us.
Okay, but I don't get caught by the dishwasher. If he sees me with those violence of demon's shadow's eyes, I'll die. And if he didn't see me, I'll never die. We all know what to do.
Good. When he sees us, get through the hiding spot.
Hiding spot? But he... Sorry, I didn't mean to yell. Let's do this. And stop the shadows of violence dishwasher.
Agreed. Let's get near him before we'll get ourselves caught by the dishwasher.
Kai, we're having a big problem. Your brother Dishwasher is the shadows of violence. You must stop him, Kai.
I have an idea, guys.